Keto is so worth it once you start seeing results. And Kiss My Keto is in the business of making your keto journey feel like a walk in the park. A green park, you know, with lots of trees and flowers and lush grass. And Keto Replenish was designed to bring the hydration to your journey. It's chock full of supplements that replenish electrolytes. Yeah, you know the ones. Keto Replenish supports an active mind and an active lifestyle, keeping you hydrated so you can totally own the day, your workout, or whatever else you need hydration for. And you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, throw them back and demand electrolytes. Kids giving you a headache? Electrolytes. Line moving too slowly at the store? Electrolytes. Getting too cold outside? Put on a sweater and then add some electrolytes. Man, is there anything electrolytes can't do? Keto Replenish is made up of calcium citrate, magnesium citrate, zinc citrate, and chloride from Himalayan pink salt, to name a few. Use it before, during, or after a workout to support rehydration and ensure that you're getting the most out of your sweat sesh. And did I mention it fights off the dreaded keto flu? Whether you're in the house or on the go, Keto Replenish can work for you in either a delicious mixed berry powder or a convenient capsule form. It's vegan-friendly, non-GMO, and gluten-free, so everyone has the chance to enjoy regardless of their dietary restrictions. Still not convinced? Check out our blog post on kissmyketo.com for a ton of other information that is sure to make you into a believer. Try our Keto Replenish to light up your day the right way.